Organization is a big deal in most areas of the home, but nowhere is it more important than the laundry room. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about how to get the most from yours right after this.
The bathroom is one of the main sources of excess moisture and humidity in the home, both of which are signs of poor indoor air quality. Poor indoor air quality can lead to health issues such as increased allergy symptoms, asthma, or respiratory problems. Make sure to use the ventilation fan in your bathroom not only while you shower, but also for 10 minutes afterwards. For a hands-free operation, use a Broan humidity sensing or motion sensing ventilation fan. You can learn more at Broan.com. Broan NewTone, bringing fresh ideas home.
The laundry room is one of the busiest areas in most homes, and yet they're usually not very large. So here are a few tips to maximize their efficiency. Create a series of hamper-sized shelves or cubbies to make sorting clothes by color easier and more efficient. You can arrange them vertically or horizontally depending on your layout. You can never have too much shelving, so consider adding some up near the ceiling. A shelf that is flush with the top of door casings can run all the way around the room and provide lots of extra storage, plus a handy place to mount a closet rod for hanging clothes. Tall, shallow shelving above or adjacent to the washing machine is also a great idea for detergent, bleach, and other laundry products. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.